girl that you're looking for? No, I'm looking for an angel.
Oh, then it's me.
No, she's a beautiful girl.
Did you say beautiful? Ah, it would be me then.
Me?
Oh, no, it's me.
It's me.
Oh, no,
It's me. It's me. It's me.
You're not the one. It's me.
It's me, not you. He thinks it's me.
It's me, don't kid yourself, it's me. It's me. It's me, you're not the one, it's me.
It's me, don't kid yourself, it's me. It's me.
Hey, Oscar's coming.
Oh, Oscar.
Hello, Oscar. Who is that?
Hello, Lee. Who are you? And how do you know my name? I'm Oscar, and I have always lived here. So I know many things. Huh? I also know who you're looking for. Who is she? Where is she? Well, she's Princess Annie. But finding her is not going to be that easy.
You won't find her. Take me.
No, take me.
Oh, no, please. Take me.
Oscar! Asleep a long time ago. Your song made her appear, but she is still under the enchantment of the sleeping village.
She's sleeping.
How can I awaken her then? Maybe your voice is pure enough to break the charm. Try singing again. Strange encounters you may have along the way.
Who dares to wake up the mighty Lord of Fire?
Sorry, sir. I didn't mean to. I'm looking for a princess.
I don't know about any princess, but since you woke me up, maybe you can also revive my powers. Sing!
But you can do it. Help me. Sing along, everyone.
Louder! Louder!